All right, everybody. Let me turn my Bible down just a little bit more, and because today is sweet potato harvest time. It's been past due, and I'm going to. As my hand sees the kingdom of the idols, kingdoms whose images excel those of Jerusalem and Samaria. I'm going to go ahead and pull up these sweet potatoes. I was reading and following others, and they say we can let them stay until November when the first frost come. But I'm thinking about using these buckets for something else. So let me put this back in my towel for my face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pull up these sweet potatoes. Some of these already dying out. This one over here. And I have been seeing my sweet potatoes rise up. So let's bring you a little closer. Hopefully. And we're going to see about this first one. Got a chair. All right. So this root came right on up. Looked like it broke off. I hope I got something in there. Oh, here's a potato right here. Look at there. Sweet potato. And put it in the bucket. Woody vines. Nutrition for the garden. Have to put it in the compost bin. See, can I pull it up? Little tubers. Look like it needed more time. And nothing right there. So let me dig. See what I can find. I did have a shovel somewhere, but a little handheld shovel. So let me see. Oh, I see something right here. Let me go get the handheld shovel, the little one I have. I was looking for my little rake. It's a little handheld rake. But I don't see. I think I left it in the garage. So let's see what's in here. Oh, look at there. Look at that. Oh, nice. Pretty potato. Take another one. Keep on. Nice. I was ready to pull these up. See if anything any deeper. It was bulging out on the side. I feel some. Hope it is some. I might just dump it in the bed right over there. Take another one. And see what is this, a caterpillar? It must have fell in here. And pick them up. See? Look at him. Go out there. Maybe a little bit farther down. I see a tuber right here. Some down there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn around to this bed. I'm gonna dump it in this bed right here. Soil. And if I need the soil back, I will just fill it back up once I put some more nutrients and amend it. Okay, and this tote is gone because it's breaking up. So let's see what I can. Ooh, a lot of ants. All right. So I hope none ain't on my hand. I gotta go get the hose. Ooh, black ants. Sweet ants. Hope they ain't got a nest in there. Let's see. Oh, them was part, what they call those want to eat up the wood? Termite ants. I'm thinking. Okay, that's it over there. Put that back over there. See what I can see in this pile of soil. Let's see. Oh, see, there's no ant nest down here either. Some. Ooh, look at there. They small, but hey, the sweet potatoes, quite a few of them. Look at there. That is awesome, ain't it? Looking all crazy looking, but I'll take them. Not so small. Okay. What's this? Woo. I'll put these back in there. These are to feed the compost. The bigger ones I take out. That's good. Make sure I ain't feed up myself with ants all on me. Because I can't stand it. Oh, wrong bin. All right. Let's see. Woo, my eye. Take my glove off. Put that over here. Up in my eye. All right. So let's see what else we can find. Is there any more sweet potato I can find here? See how I did this year. Figure out how to do it better next year. These sweet potatoes came for one of my gardening friend, neighbor. She had some, what's it called? Some of the, what it called? I'm sorry, slips. There you go. She had some sweet potatoes and she was growing slips. And so she gave me quite a few of her sweet potatoes so I could keep the slips going. And I planted a couple in here. Kind of, I guess it was maybe a little later. I'm putting that back up in there. I don't see any more. And I think that was from 1 or 2 sweet potatoes. And I don't see any more right here. So what I would do, I'll probably mix this soil around with this one that already got a lot of nutrients too. And then I'll put some back in the bin if needed. No, that's not that. And that was the end of that bin. So from that bin, I got these sweet potatoes, which ain't bad. I'm happy. I see that they could have went a little bit longer, which would have been great too. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump this other one too while I'm over here. Even though I know now I can let them stay until the end of the season. So this one has little teeny sweet potatoes here. Not too big. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna dump this one on the same spot over here. Hopefully, ooh, a lot of that ants, a lot of worms. Ooh. Little baby sweet potatoes. Look at one right here. Nice size one. Look at that. Oh, that look nice, right? All right. So I'm gonna dump this one. See how this one. I really thought I was gonna get a lot of the other one because it was protruding out, but not as much as I thought. See what's in here. Don't look like any really. This at the bottom. But it's time. I could have let it go another month, but I need to get my fall garden ready and get some compost bins ready, in which these will be some of those. I think this was one. Look at that. See, I'm thinking it was still growing. So that would have been perfect if I had let it set a little bit longer. Yeah, maybe so. Maybe not enough nutrients. I don't know. I'll research, find out what I can do better next year to get more sweet potatoes. But right now, looks like that might be it. Let me dump some of this back in here. There's some little ones I'm gonna keep in there to feed the soil. They say ants, what is it? Worms love that. So I'm gonna use my shovel. And I only got a couple out of that one. Just a couple. Nice sized ones. So I'm thinking if I had let it go on a little bit longer, I would have got more sweet potatoes probably. So we'll see next year. So for my harvest, for them 2 bins that are looking so beautiful, these the sweet potatoes I got from the 2 bins. Something, not a lot. I think it was at least about 3 slips in there, but I'm happy that I got anything. Some of them not as big, some are nice size, but thank God for what I have. And I'm gonna cure these and use these to make sweet potato bread. All right, so this concludes my sweet potato harvest, and I'm gonna put the soil back in my bins, and I think I'm gonna have this as a compost bin, these 2 bins right here. Pack it in with the greens, dump soil, scraps, stuff like that. Keep it covered with some wood, cardboard, something, and stir it up. I'll probably use that and add and feed my garden with it. So this concludes the sweet potato harvest video for my 2 totes over here that I had my sweet potatoes in. All right, be blessed. Thank you for tuning in.